Alright, that's over there washing clothes. Getting the bike back together. She's watching her do laundry in the bin over there. Alright. Yeah, doing laundry. That's how they do it. Alright. Young man learned to be a mechanic. A gallon of water on his lap. Alright. Nice. Alright. So that's what we're doing down here in Honduras today. Catching the bus. Watching people catch the bus, do laundry, work on motorcycles, play in the sun. So all good, having a blast. Yeah, man. Alright. Like I said, we got the little camera mounted up here. Alright. Peace out, Honduras. Happy Tuesday.